Hello everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub-family, thank you so much. So this video is my Tesco food shop. I am ready and raring to go for the week ahead. I've planned all my meals and I've got the food ready. So the meals that I'm going to be having is a chicken dinner. I'm going to make a big chicken dinner, a beef bourguignon, if that's how you pronounce it, from a Slimming World book. Thai green chicken curry, which is from a Joe Wicks book, ploughman's platter, which is from a Pinch of Nom book, and a chicken salad and pitters, which is from the Midweek Magic, which is a Slimming World book. So I've got those recipes planned in, those meals. Obviously I'm only cooking for two, I'm only cooking for two adults, so a lot of that will have leftovers, and the leftovers I'll be taking those to work with me for my lunches while I'm at work. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this week. For breakfast, I don't really know what to do for breakfast. It's one thing that I really struggle with. So I've just put down that I'm going to have yoghurt with fruit and honey. Nice and easy. If I think of something else throughout the week, and if I do fancy having some toast and some scrambled egg or something like that, then I've got enough stuff in that I can change my mind, and I can see how I feel on the day. But let's get onto the food shop. So in no specific order, this is just how I've taken it out of the bag. I've got a big bottle of Vimto, no added sugar. This is the 2 litre bottle and that was £2.50. I've got 6 free-range eggs. I've got 2 pots of the Creamfields fat-free Greek-style natural yoghurt. These are 85p each. I've got a bunch of spring onions. I've got one of the Tesco's butter packs spreadable. I've also got a cauliflower for the chicken dinner. I've got a cabbage, a swede, baby spinach, some ham, which I love to use as just roll it up to snack on. I've got a block of the mature cheddar, which is for the ploughmans. I've also got at the back here 2 Easter eggs. The caramel one is for me, the caramel milk one is for Dan. These are currently on offer at Tesco for £2, so you've got the large egg and 1 bar of chocolate, and these eggs are £2. So as I was saying, these are £2 each, and the offer on these eggs is going to finish soon, so I will be taking Dan for a trip to Tesco to see what Easter eggs we can get for the nieces and nephew. Yep, I've done all of that section. So I've got a big 30 pack of crisps. I've got the onion rings, cheese puffs and bacon rashers in here. I did go to select the bunny bites, but they're going up again, so I thought, do you know what, I'll try something different. So these were quite a reasonable price. I think they were £3.50. Yeah, so we'll see what these are like. I've got some kitchen towels. These were £4, which works out £1 a roll. I've also got some Win-A-Lot, which is the 40 pouches, with the turkey with potatoes and carrot, beef with potatoes and peas, chicken with potatoes and green beans, all in gravy, for the Charlie bun. I am going to try mixing it up a bit, so I might try him with the jelly one next time, just so he's not eating the same stuff. So yeah, I know he's a dog, but I wouldn't like to eat the same stuff over and over again, so yeah, I will mix it up next time. I've got some Luxury Soft quilted 3-ply toilet paper. These are £1.50 or £1. These are £1.45, I want to say, for 4 rolls, so I got 3 packs. I also got some Muller Light Greek style in the lemon. I'm just really loving the lemon. These are still on offer, so these were, I want to say £1.50 again. I've got some Energizer batteries because the scales in the kitchen need a new battery. I've also picked up some blue Power Active, yeah, these things for your toilet. They're really, really good. I've also picked up some more washing powder. So this is just the Tesco's one, Tropical Sunshine. So this is the last few bits. I've got a punnet of black seedless grapes, some blueberries, some strawberries. I've got some tomato puree just there, baby plum tomatoes, sweet vine tomatoes, a broccoli. I've got some butternut squash. These are frozen and already cut up, which pleases me so much. I've got some Dairy Milk little bars, some all-rounder potatoes, some sweet easy peelers, some pears, a cucumber, semi-skimmed milk, some gala apples, light coconut milk for the Thai green curry, some carrots, 6 wholemeal pita breads. I've got a full chicken, which is for the chicken dinner, so I'll just pop that into the slow cooker while I'm out today. Then I'll come home, I'll take all the meat off that I can from the bone, and then yeah, I can make a really nice Sunday dinner with that. 6 hot cross buns because I don't want to miss out on Easter. I know I'm trying to be good and everything, but a little bit won't hurt me. Then I've got some Thai green curry paste. I absolutely love the Blue Dragon one, and yeah, I'm just going to pop that in. Then I've got some wholemeal bread, the Hovis one. I've got some black currant squash. This is the quadruple strength. I do need to remind myself that it's quadruple because I do pour too much in and then I have to continue to water it down. I've got some granulated sugar at the back. Me and Dad don't use that in our drinks, but my dad puts about 3 spoonfuls of sugar in, so just got some more for when my dad comes around. I've got some pickled silver skin onions, which is for the ploughman's dinner. Some more gala apples, don't know if I mentioned them. I've got an aubergine, because it was meant to be a vegetarian, like with just aubergine Thai green curry, but I decided to just add chicken, and then I've got 1 brown onion. And that is everything on my Tesco food shop. If you are wondering where the rest of my meat is, I've got loads of stuff already in the freezer. We buy our meat and fish from the butchers and the fishmongers, so we do stock up when we go. If something's on a good offer, we'll just pick that up. So the only meat that I do need to go out and buy is the diced beef, so we'll be picking that up from the butchers maybe tomorrow or another day this week, so that we can make that meal. But yeah, that is everything that I got. The food shop was quite expensive, but obviously I got a lot more stuff than I usually get this time round, so it did come to just over £100, and the click and collect was £2 this time round. But yeah, like I say, I have got more items than I usually get, and I'm planning some really good meals, and I'll get loads of leftovers. So if you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye.